Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to recall sent email on Outlook. If you send a message incorrectly, so don't worry, you can recall the message, but keep in mind you can only recall the email before the receiver opened the message. So for this you have to go to your recall software and go to the send mail. Now choose that mail which you want to replace. So I'll choose this one and go to actions. Now go to recall the message. After that you have to choose delete unread copies and replace with a new message. And check this one. Go to OK. So you can see you can write here what you want. Write it. So I'll write here, for example, how are you? Okay. Now go to send. So it's done. So guys, this is how you can recall sent email on Outlook. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.